How to create commercial ads like this. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step process on how you can create commercial ads for your business, be it shoe business, perfume business, clothing business. My name is Denisa. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So as you already know, we are going to be using ChatGPT in generating the images that we are going to be using for our food commercial ads. So I'm going to paste in a prompt here, which I'm going to read out loud. So let me paste the prompt. So this is a prompt which says that write a premium ultra cinematic ad standard AI image prompt for fast food advertisement like burger, crispy fries, pizza, among others. Acting as a professional creative art director, each prompt must be tailored to the specific product with its commercial photography, luxury direction inclusive like name, camera lens, composure, motion, and every detail needed to create a professional art. Okay, so this is the prompt we are going to be using. Right now I am going to click on generate. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT has given us. You can see we have luxury gourmet burger and we have hero shots campaign. Okay, so this is what it has given us. Now we have the crispy French fries. The third one, we have the gourmet pizza cheese pull ad, and we have crispy fried chicken, premium hot dog. So this is it. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to copy this first prompt. We are going to copy this first image prompt. So I'm going to highlight and copy the first product. Okay, so this is it. Let me copy it. So we are going to Google Flow. Okay, so this is Google Flow. If you don't have an account with Google Flow, just head to Chrome browser and click Google Flow, log in with your email and start using Google Flow. Okay, so where you see new projects, I'm going to click on new project and this interface is going to open like this. So where you see what do you want to create, down here we have it below where you see what do you want to create here. That is where I'm going to paste my prompt. Okay, so this is my prompt here. I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so our image has been generated. The next thing I'm going to do here is that we are going to copy the second product, which is crispy French fries, and then we head over to Google Flow again and paste the second prompt. I'm going to click again on generate. Okay, so as it's generating, I'm going to click on the third product. Okay, so this is it, pizza. So let me highlight and click on this. Something went wrong with our image. What could that be? So let me try again. I'm sure it's because I left this page. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate. I've just pasted the third one. Okay, so let's just wait for the images to generate. So all our images are done generating, but remember, if you do not like a particular image, you can always long press on that image and click reuse prompt. Yeah, where you see reuse prompt, you can click on it twice and then you hit generate again if the images you have are not good enough. Okay, so that's what you can always do. You can see I just hit generate again because I'm not quite impressed with the images that they gave me. So I'm going to click on the pizza again to reuse the prompt. Okay, so okay, it's giving me the same thing. So it's all right, we are going to use it like that. Remember, you can always try to create your images over and over until you get the best of the images that you want. All right, so now that we have these images, what we are going to do here is that we are going to download these images. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to download this image because I love it so much. It is better than the other. So I'm going to, you can always, long press on it and hit download immediately, but I would like to upscale the image. That is why I am clicking on the image first to have it single like this before I download it. I always like to upscale my images before downloading them. Okay, so this is done downloading. We are going to download for the rest of the other images. So we have our crispy fries. So I'm going to download this second image. I'm going to upscale before downloading, so I just upscaled it. Now I'm downloading. So this is where I actually clicked to upscale. You click on this download icon here, you click on that download, and then you see upscale to 2K. You can then upscale. Okay, so that is what I did. Now I think we downloaded that already. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to click on this pizza. I don't know, these two, I don't even know which one is best. So I'm just going to upscale and download the two images. All right, so we are done downloading all our images. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to go back to ChatGPT and give it a prompt again. Okay, so here we are on ChatGPT again. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to paste a prompt here again, which I'm going to read out loud. So this is it. We have: acting as a professional arts producer and creative director, write a video prompt for all the foods commercials above. Okay, so let me click on generate. So we have this for luxury burger, we have crispy fries, we have gourmet pizza. Okay, so since we worked just with the first three images, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to copy the first prompt. Okay, I'm going to copy the first video prompt and head over to Google Flow again. So this is Google Flow. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to click on Nano Banana tool. Just check below on your right, you're going to see Nano Banana tool. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this, which says that, okay, you have this interface here. So I'm going to click on video. When I click on video, I'm going to pick ingredients, not frame. So I'm going to pick ingredients. So this is ingredient. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to pick the first one, which is the pizza, which is the burger, sorry. So where is it? Okay, this is it. Now here we are going to be picking out, we have, if you click on this little arrow down here, you're going to see Omni Flash VEO 3.1. so we are going to pick the first one, which is VEO 3.1 light. Okay, so that one is very much free, you don't need to pay for that. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. I'm going to paste the prompts we copied, the video prompts we copied on ChatGPT. Now I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so let's wait for it to download. So our video is done downloading. I'm going to click on the video so that we can watch what it has given us. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, so this is the video we have here. Remember that with Google Flow you can actually generate these videos or images, sorry, the videos, particularly the videos will come with a watermark because you're actually using the free version. So if you want a video to come without a watermark, you can always, you know, subscribe to the paid version and then you use it without a watermark. Okay, so this is it. This is the second video. Sorry, this is the second video. This is our second video. Okay, so what we are going to do now is that we are just going to click downloads. We can upscale and download our image, our video. Our video is done downloading, so I can as well just download the second one. Okay, so remember, when you click on this one, when you click here, you are going to see animate as GIF. You are going to see 720p, so you can always click there so that you upscale these things before you download them. All right, so this is what we are going to do now. We are going to head over to Grok AI to see what Grok AI is going to give us. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. This is the first video prompt. This is it. So I'm going to use Grok AI for this. Okay, I was already working on one here, so I'm going to pick this first one. I'm going to click on this. Let me choose the 10 seconds. Okay, so let me hit generate. Let's look at what it's going to give us. Remember, you can choose to animate or you just directly change from image to video. Okay, so let's hit generate and see what it gives us. So this is the Grok version. This is the Grok version of this product. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on download and download it. Now we are going to copy the second one, which is the crispy fries. Crispy fries. So this is it. Let me get back to Grok. Remember, I said you can choose to animate the photos or you click on edit photos. Okay, I think the second one, let me just click on animate and pick the fries. Okay, so now I'm going to use this 6 seconds. Okay, so let's click and watch what it gives us. So our video for the crispy fries is ready. Now let me click so that you can watch what it has given us. So this is it. This is what we have. So this is it. Now we are going to copy the third one and we will be done with our art. We are going to copy for the gourmet pizza. So this is it. We are going to head over to Grok. So this is it. I'm going to click on type to imagine and then I'm going to pick the pizza image. Okay, so let me pick the image. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on generate now. Let's wait for it to download. Okay, let's wait for it to finish generating our video. So our video is done, so let's watch what it has given us. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.